So this is the Indian. It is all finished. It is in the last video, but this Subaru, number 300 of 300, apparently it's a bit of a special edition, as they say, UK 300. Number 1 got smashed up, so that doesn't exist anymore. Number 300 is here. Full front end PPF using STEK DYNOshield, and we're doing bulk fitment because it's better than template fitment. Let's get to it.
What's going on?
Proper effing.
What?
Protection.
From what?
The elements. No, against the elements of the world. Bird droppings, stones, rocks, asteroids, all of that sort of thing.
How long will it protect my car for?
12 years.
What
Because we have a certificate. Trousers. My trousers are falling down. I need a burger. That's what I need.
Something interesting. Give us some useless information. Give us valuable information. Give us some value. Tell us all your secrets. We're not going to like a minute, but 15 minutes so you around two wingers, and I'm getting bored recording it, let alone watching it.
Okay, so you probably just watched 5 minutes of me putting 2 clear pieces of material on and it hasn't changed anything. So we're going to do some time lapses. Bowlers. You bought some bowlers for your car, didn't you? Bowlers on a Golf R. Let us know in the comments what you think about that.
Tell us the difference between bulk fit and PPF and
Bulk fitment is we go all the way around.
pre-cut templated sheets.
Template is pre-cut sheets that the machine cuts and then cuts them wrong or cuts them small. Bulk fitment is like you would wrap, so you get 100% coverage. You can do all the corners properly, you can get all the material folded in. It is 100% coverage and it shouldn't look like it's on there. The overall outcome is far better than a template fit. I just like bulk fitting. It's better. The end product looks better. The client is happier. I do like an Aston. If you had an Aston, which one would you have? So as you can see, template fitment, which is there, but the paintwork comes all the way to here. And this is the same on all areas of the car. So if you look at the rear spoiler, you can see where the template's been cut around and you have all these areas exposed. So that's template fitment, pre-cut, and the shapes aren't always amazing. Sometimes they're a bit wrong.
How's it going, Jay?
Yeah, all right, I think.
What's going on?
Just attempting to tint my own windows. And I've got the first one done, so there we go.
On to the next one.
Yeah, another 4 hours later.
So, tidying up, ready for my holiday. Did I tell you I was going on holiday? So the Impreza is now all finished. Full front end PPF, STEK DYNOshield. Come in, have a look around. It's probably the cleanest Impreza I've ever seen, and it's number 300 of 300 ever built. So, bit of a special one. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.